Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. Finishing up this, what is it, a Honda Accord Cross Tour. It's about 10 years old. So we did both packages on here. We polished and waxed it up real nicely. Cleaned inside the rims really good. Do the wheel wells, always super nice. These wheel wells had a lot of hidden mud inside of them. We stored all of the plastic on it, and as you can see, all of the rubber has been restored around the edges there. The window rubber, all of it's been buffed out. A little bit more work to do on the dashboard there. I only did half of it. I'll do the other half. Restore that back to brand new. Got Faithful Angel Cleaning Services, Pet Care and Cleaning Services, Facebook. You can, Port Angeles, Washington, Faithful Angel Pet Care and Cleaning Service. She does windows too, professionally, for home and business. Door jambs. The floor mats have been cleaned and dressed. And you guys have a great day.